Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Melsiha. Today's painting I'm going to use randomly three acrylic colors. I plan to paint a beautiful scenery with three colors. Just I am trying these colors are acrylic, aqua green, sap green, light green and titanium white. Only these colors are I am going to use. I'm using aqua green more for this background and scenery as well. I think the beautiful background is ready. Next I am applying more dark to the hills and the clouds. Next adding step by step titanium white to the highlight with the aqua green. Here is the most important. Do you know I am trying with aqua green for this scenery painting in most of the part. That's maybe trees and field and whatever it may be. And I am using the aqua green most of this. How it will become, I am waiting for that. Okay, let's enjoy and doing this painting. Join with me in my paintings. Feel stress free. Relax and paint. Wonder the magic of colors. Make your life happier without stress and worries and live long. I hope that you are enjoying my all the paintings. The beautiful painting is ready. Bring out your hidden treasure of imaginations in yours painting. Use your imaginations to achieve the picture what you want. Sometimes you may not achieve the painting, but don't worry, you keep on trying, you can achieve it. And subscribe my channel. I meet you in my next painting. Thanks for watching.